Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this really beautiful morph transition in PowerPoint. First of all, go to layout and select blank presentation, then go to shapes and insert a rectangle like I have done. Now remove it outline and paste it about 4 times like I have done. Now increase the size of the fourth rectangle out of the slide. Select the first one and right click on it, then format shape, then go to fill, picture or texture fill and insert. From here you have to insert the picture that you want to insert. So this is it. Now add the text, increase its size and change its color. Now go to the second rectangle, right click on it and change its color. You have to choose the colors according to your picture. So I have chosen and changed the colors. Now add text in all of the squares. Increase its size accordingly and change its color. Now move it into the center. So this is it. I have added the titles. Now we're gonna add the icons from the icons option in the insert tab. That's it. Now I'm gonna change this icon's color to white by from the shape format. That's it. So the next step is that you're gonna duplicate the slide, and now you're gonna select the three of the rectangles and everything on them. Now move it towards the left side so that the first rectangle gets covered behind the first rectangle. You're gonna send them to backward, and like this you're gonna move them. Next, you're gonna select all of these, and now you're gonna firstly move this first rectangle backward, then select the front, uh, all of the rectangles and their text. Now you're gonna move them towards the left like this. Now what you have to do next is that you have to increase the size of this last rectangle so that it covers the entire slide. Now what you have to do is that you have to select the both of the slides and then click on morph transition in the transition tab. So this is the final result of the video. Be sure to subscribe my channel and like the video to get the latest updates. Also click on the bell icon below my video to get the latest updates.